येती माझ्या संगाती लागली हे ऊन मनपदारी उडी रे हे ऊन मनपदारी उडी याती जेव्हा मागते त्याती जेव्हा रे पुता कैला जेव्हा
All that glitters is not gold. Many fairy tales and stories were told. Two loving people walked down love lane. They shared their feeling blend well, and today we hear their wedding bells. A very good evening to Reverend Father Sandeep Borges, ladies, gentlemen, and to all you wonderful children out here. Well, this welcome is on behalf of Lata and Gregory and the entire family. Well, it's the second wedding in the family, so it gives me great pleasure to welcome each and everyone here. With me, I have my co-partner Michelle. We give you a good evening and welcome. Friends, it's time to welcome this lovely entourage. Can we all stand up?
जोरात
Michelle,
अरे काय खाऊन आले ना यार कम ऑन जोरात आर यू रेडी
Okay, they are ready, okay. Okay, first we have the flower girls and the page boys. Here they come. Music. Wow, lovely. Yeah, here they come. Lovely girl. Yeah. Go to
Dame chance ahora, पीछे जा.
Wow, aren't they looking beautiful and handsome? Aren't they looking beautiful and handsome? Yes or no? Yes, okay. So,
यांचं.
wow, Lata's looking beautiful. Yes or no, guys?
Woo!
ये यार ये लोग सब लगता है इलेक्शन में काम. The bride parents. We have Clement and Sunita. Clement and Sunita, can you say hi to everybody? That's Clement and Sunita. Can we clap for them, please? Clap
सगळ्यांनी
loudly.
जोरात टाळ्या वाजवायच्या आहेत. अँसिडाचे मम्मी डॅडी यांचा.
Thank you so much. Well, the next, they are looking really handsome and beautiful. Can we make a big round of applause for Ansida? Clap for her. She's looking really beautiful. Clap loudly. Ansida, can
सगळ्यांनी
you?
अँसिडासाठी क्लॅप करायचं. सगळ्यांनी टाळ्या वाजवायच्या आहेत.
Ansida, you can leave him now. He's all yours. And say hi to everybody. Leave his hand. Leave his hand. That's better. Keep that bouquet down. That's nice. Very good. Okay, and somebody's looking really handsome this evening. Yes or no? He's got a smile in his face. Levin Kusher, can we clap for him, please? Levin, can you say hi to everybody? Hello, yes. Come a little closer, Lata. That's better. The entire family. And friends, marriage is not about only two individuals. It's about, two beautiful families. And you can see both the lovely family, the Kusher and the Carvalhos. Okay? They're born together. Okay, it's time to cut this lovely cake. Levin, you have to hold two things. One is the knife and other is the wife. Yes, please hold the knife. Okay, now what you have to do is you put your left hand nicely round her waist. Yes, and you can also share. Oh, she's got the upper hand already. Okay, we'll all do a countdown. Okay, from your seats, you all can. 9. Come on, everybody.
8, 7,
6,
5, 4, 3,
2, 1. Here we go. Everybody sing it.
Congratulations and celebrations when I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and jubilations. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. Who would believe that I could be happy and contented? I used to think that happiness hadn't been invented, but that was in the bad old days before I met you. When I let you walk into my heart.
Wow, that's so sweet. Michelle, you can see them inviting their parents, by giving that lovely cake piece to them. How nice. That's good to see. Okay. That's nice. Okay, we have the popping of the champagne bottle. And to do the honors, we have Chris let me introduce you to Chris. Chris is the BMW for today. BMW is not the car, but the best man of the wedding.
Correct.
So can I invite him, please? Chris, yes, the bottle is all yours. Chris, I just got to know he's a good expert in opening champagne bottles, so
I request Ashley to come forward and do the champagne thing, please.
no, he'll do it. Yes, straight in front, Ashley. Let's go. 1,
2,
and 3. Here we go. Thank you. Thank you, friends. You can all have your seats. Thank you very much. Thank you.
सगळ्यांनी बसून घ्यायचं आहे. सगळ्यांनी बसून घ्यायचं आहे.
You are steady on my mind. See the way you find it to find it, you find like wine. Nobody you. Anything you need, I buy. Anything within your mind, I wanna spend my life with you. My heart is true. I wanna make you my only baby. I wanna make baby girl, now you are my only baby. I'll give all.
Part of this evening, and it's called the raising of the toast. In the outset, we have the most distinguished and prominent personality. I say this because he is very close to Levin's heart and very close to our good Lord as well. Well, it gives me great pleasure to, invite Reverend Father Sandeep Borges. Well, Father Sandeep Borges. Gentlemen, stand up, please. Can I have all the gents standing up? Thank you.
सगळ्या पुरुषांनी उभं राहायचं आहे. सर्व पुरुषांनी उभं राहायचं आहे. फक्त पुरुषांनी उभं राहायचं आहे.
मी नुकता वर चढताना कान पकडले, कदाचित काही काना विचित्र वाटत असेल. माझा हार्टचं ऑपरेशन झालंय म्हणून तो आवाज सहन होत. तुम्ही सगळ्यांनी आज आनंदाने इथे उपस्थिती दाखवलेली आहे, कारण तुम्हाला एक इन्व्हिटेशन कार्ड मिळालं. त्या कार्डवर त्याने एक प्रभूचा शब्द स्वीकारलेला आहे. फिलिपी करास अध्याय 1 ओवी 7, आणि त्यामध्ये त्यांनी असं लिहिलेलं आहे, किंवा ते प्रभूचा शब्द असं सांगतोय की आम्ही एकमेकांबरोबर परमेश्वराचा आशीर्वाद वाटून घेतलेला आहे. आम्ही परमेश्वराचा आशीर्वाद एकमेकांबरोबर वाटून घेतलेला आहे, आणि म्हणून आम्ही एकमेकांच्या हृदयामध्ये एकत्र जमलेलो आहोत. म्हणजे जणू काही हम आपके दिल में रहते हैं. मगाशी ते जेव्हा चालत आले मध्ये, तेव्हा लेविन आणि ॲन्सिडा ही लेविनचा उजवा हात पकडून आली. तुमचं चर्चमध्ये लग्न लागलेलं आहे, ब्लेसिंग केलेलं आहे. आता ॲन्सिडा, तुला टेन्शन घ्यायची गरज नाही. ही इज एंगेज्ड. ओके, त्यामुळे आता त्याच्या डाव्या बाजूला नेहमी त्याच्या हृदयाची काळजी घ्यायची. ओके, लेविन, शी इज युअर वाईफ, गोइंग टू टेक केअर ऑफ युअर लाईफ. इफ यू टेक केअर ऑफ हर, यू विल टेक केअर ऑफ युअर लाईफ. प्रत्येक पुरुषाला लेफ्ट साईडला एक रिप कमी असते, आणि म्हणून जणू काही स्त्री ती रिप म्हणजे जणू काही ती पोकळी आहे ती भरून काढते, आणि जणू काही त्या हृदयाची, त्याच्या जीवनाची काळजी घेते. आणि त्यासाठी पुरुषाचा उजवा हात मोकळा असतो तिची काळजी घेण्यासाठी. आणि आज या दोघांनी रविवारच्या शुभवर्तमानाप्रमाणे शहाणा डिसिजन घेतलेला आहे, शहाणा निर्णय घेतलेला आहे. ते जणू काही शहाण्यासारखे वागलेले आहेत. आज दोघांना त्यांनी एकमेकांना होकार दिलेला आहे पवित्र कुटुंब बांधण्यासाठी. आणि म्हणून तुम्ही जणू काही वाईज डिसिजन घेतलेला आहे, शहाणा डिसिजन घेतलेला आहे. तुम्ही आजपासून एकत्र एक रस्ता चालणार आहात, प्रेमाचा, सुखदुःखाचा. म्हणून तुम्ही एकमेकांना होकार दिलेला आहे. तुम्ही शहाणा निर्णय घेतलेला आहे, कारण एकमेकांची जणू काही काळजी घेणार आहात. तुम्ही दोघे वेगवेगळे असले तरी एक स्वप्न बघणार आहात, पवित्र कुटुंब बांधण्याचं. आणि त्यासाठी प्रभू येशू ख्रिस्त तुम्ही स्वीकारलेला आहे आशीर्वादाद्वारे, साक्रामेंटाद्वारे. तुम्ही पुन्हा एकदा शहाण्यासारखा निर्णय घेतलेला आहे. आणि या शहाण्यासारखा निर्णय घेतल्याचा फायदा एक आहे की स्वतःला एक आनंद मिळतो, फायदा होतोय, आणि त्याचबरोबर स्वतःद्वारे दुसऱ्या पार्टनरला किंवा दुसऱ्यांना सुद्धा तो आनंद देत आहेत. आणि हा सुद्धा निर्णय तुम्ही घेतलेला आहे एकमेकांना आनंदी करण्यासाठी. हे दोघेही लग्नाच्या अगोदर एकमेकांची परीक्षा पाहत होते. त्यात लेविनने तिला काही गोष्टी सांगितल्या परीक्षा पाहण्यासाठी, तर आमची ॲन्सिडा पण सांगते मी पण काय कमी नाही, मी पण लेविनची परीक्षा घेणार. आणि म्हणून तिने त्याला प्रश्न विचारला की लेविन, मी तुला आवडते का, डू यू लाईक मी? आणि लेविन सांगतो नाही. तिला थोडं दुःख वाटलं. त्यानंतर तिने मग वरच्याला पुढचा दुसरा एक प्रश्न विचारला, कदाचित त्याच्यात माझं उत्तर मिळेल. म्हणे समजा मी तुला सोडून गेली तर तुला दुःख वाटेल का? तर म्हणे नाही. त्या ॲन्सिडा रडायला लागली, दुःखी झाली. तेव्हा लेविनने हळूच तिला त्याच्या बाहूमध्ये घेतलं, जवळ घेतलं आणि तिला सांगितलं, मी तू मला आवडत नाही असं नाही, पण माझं तुझ्यावर प्रेम आहे. आय डोंट लाईक यू बट आय लव्ह यू मोर दॅन लाईक लव्ह. आणि जर का तू सोडून गेलीस तर मी दुःखी होणार नाही, मी कदाचित मरून जाईन. एवढी तू माझ्यासाठी महत्त्वाची आहेस. आणि आज ते दोघे जण साक्रामेंटाद्वारे एकत्र जमलेले आहेत, एकत्र आलेले आहेत, एक पवित्र कुटुंब बांधण्यासाठी, दुसऱ्यांना एक चांगलं उदाहरण देण्यासाठी. आणि असेच तुम्ही एकत्र राहावेत म्हणून आमच्या सगळ्यांच्या शुभेच्छा तुमच्या पाठीच्या आहेत. आय विश यू जीसस, वी विश यू जीसस मोर दॅन एनिथिंग. माझं ग्लास कुठे गेलं कोल्ड्रिंकचं? आपण चेस करूया या दोघांसाठी. चेस ऑल मॅन, चेस.
सर्वांनी टाळ्या वाजवून अभिनंदन करायचं आहे, सर्वांनी टाळ्या वाजवायच्या आहे.
थँक्यू.
Thank you, Father. That
धन्यवाद तुम्ही इकडे सगळे आल्याबद्दल. आमच्यासाठी खूप महत्त्वाचा सोहळा आहे हा. आणि आम्ही खूप म्हणजे आमच्यासाठी खूप भाग्यवान आकृतीने वाट पाहत असतात. तर थँक्यू आल्याबद्दल. आणि ॲन्सिडा, आय लव्ह यू and I can't imagine my life without you.
You want to say something, Ansela? Say something.
I love you too. Oh, this was really sweet. Please clap for them, everyone. सगळ्यांनी आपापल्या हातातले चिकन खाली ठेवा आणि सगळ्यांनी जोरात टाळ्या वाजवा.
that was so sweet.
सगळ्यांनी.
3 cheers for this wonderful couple. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Come on, loudly. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Last and final time. Long live this couple. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Thank you, Father. Okay, in a short while from now, he's going to get a prize. Okay.
Vianney and Ashok, kindly please do the table work. Remove the table from here. इकडून सासरे.
Michelle, don't call them because I think Fevicol is put on their chairs.
Please,
They are all
Saveria.
stuck to the chairs. Come on, guys.
बनी आत्या, मेंबर आत्या, ब्राइन मामा, वाला आत्या, come on. Vian, चिकन सोड इकडे, डान्स करूया.
You know these people, all your. Vishal, where's Vishal? Leon, come on, join us quickly.
विक्टर आते, वाला आते, कनी ना साला. लवकर या.
Hey, you're making this couple wait here, guys. Come quickly, come on. There's a special prize. Those who, march well is going to get a prize. So come quickly.
कनी हो बनी आत्या, बनी आत्या,
कोण आहे बनी आत्या?
बनी आत्या.
Come, come.
वल्याका इज रेडी. तुम्ही या करी डान्स फ्लोअरवर. नंतर
And on the dance floor,
ताई,
come on.
रॉजर दादा आपल्या बरोबर आहेत या डान्स फ्लोअरवर.
Full of the carpet, okay? It's little slightly up and down, so when you're, taking your footings, please be careful. All these girls, are stop with your mobile phones and come on, get up, come, join us, come on. Come on. Follow me. Rolling. Now you're gonna dance. Wow, very good. Very good, lovely. Very good, lovely, that's better. Thank you. Oh, lovely. Shake. Pick them up. Come on, boys. Nice, very good, lovely. Lovely, hey boy, very good. Hey, gonna dance. Come on, lovely. Nice, very good. Dance. Okay, everybody. Gonna shake, and go down. Come on, Chris, let's see you dancing. Hey, come on. Lovely, very good. Join it, come on. Yeah, Levin, you wanna dance? Come on, dance. Good boy, very good. Hey, come on. Wow. Right, left. Okay, shake.
I saw I came, I conquered, or should I say I saw
Go down, Chris. Go down. Come on, there, Romy. Lovely. Forward. And backward. Yeah. And backward. Forward. Nice. Very good. Forward. Okay, first couple. To my right. First couple. Both together. Okay, to my left. Right. Right, left. Slowly. Press. Slow. Go together. Very good. Whoa, lovely. Now we make a forward. Yeah, very good, Romy. Good dance. Come on, Chris. Okay, now we make a four. Cross four. Second four. Behind. Hold on. Go together. 4-4. Yep. Turn it up. Take it low. Take a step to the right. To the left one time. Put your hands up in the air. Everybody put your hands up in the air. Take it low. Step to the right. To the left one time. Let's go fast. Up in the air. Very good. One more time. Take it low. Nice. Take a step to the right. Okay, right hand in the air. Left one time. Put your right side in the air. Take it low. Take a step to the right. Okay, everybody do the laps. To the left one time. One more time,
my name is known to change presidential campaign.
Thank you. Thank you, DA. Thank you. Okay, can we form a nice circle, please? All of us. Can we form? Wow. So romantic.
सगळ्यांनी टाळ्या वाजवायच्या आहेत.
Superb. Switzerland. This is straight into Switzerland. Nice.
त्यांना दिसत नाही उभं राहू शकता.
But it's so good. I've never known anybody like you. But it's so good. I've never dreamed of nobody like you. And I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime. but I'm pretty sure that you are that level of love.
Wow, Levin, superb.
I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you would be mine.
Beautiful.
I see forever in your eyes. I feel like crying when I see you smile. Smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time. Praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time. All of the time. I think that you are the one for
Oh my God. Thank you.
सगळ्यांनी टाळ्या वाजवायच्या आहेत. Everyone, a huge round of applause, please.
Levin, I was about to say that you win a prize.
अजून एक लवकर.
Oh, ये लड़का ग्रेजुएट है किसिंग में, हाँ? Let me, हाँ, वैसे क्या है ना इसके लिए? मास्टर्स भी किया है, okay. They want to see it again, Levin. Okay, good.
सर्व लहान मुलांनी तुम्ही सुद्धा बघा, नवरा नवरीकडे बघा आणि तुमचा उजवा हात त्यांच्याकडे करायचा आशीर्वादासाठी. कारण परमेश्वर लहान मुलांचे प्रार्थना लवकर ऐकतो ना. पवित्र आत्मा यांच्या नावे मी तुम्हाला सर्वांना विनंती करतो, लहान मुलांना तुम्ही सुद्धा तुमचा उजवा हात त्यांच्याकडे करा आणि तुम्ही दोघे जण टुगेदर स्टेज टुगेदर एकत्र प्रार्थना केली तर एकत्र राहू शकतात. आणि बघा कशी एकत्र त्यांनी सुरुवात केली आहे. आपल्या सगळ्यांचा आशीर्वाद त्यांच्यावर असू दे, कारण प्रभू येशू ख्रिस्त आपल्याद्वारे त्यांना आशीर्वाद करणार आहे. हे सर्वशक्तिमान परमेश्वरा, आज तू ह्या दोघांना लग्नाच्या साक्रमेंतामध्ये एकत्र बांधलेला आहेस. जणू काही तू त्यांच्या या नवीन कुटुंबाचा पाया आहेस आणि प्रेमाद्वारे, लग्नाच्या प्रेमाद्वारे तू तुझं प्रेम व्यक्त करतोस. आज लेविन आणि ॲन्सिडा ह्यांच्या प्रेमाद्वारे तुझं प्रेम आम्हापर्यंत पोहोचत आहे आणि म्हणून त्या प्रेमापोटी आम्ही सर्वजण इथे आलेलो आहोत. या दोघांना आशीर्वाद देण्यासाठी, त्यांच्यासाठी मध्यस्थी करण्यासाठी. नेहमीच या दोघांना असंच एकत्र ठेव. तू जसं क्रूसावर समर्पित जीवन जगलास तसं त्यांनी एकमेकांसाठी समर्पित जीवन जगावं, एकमेकांना आनंद द्यावा, सुख द्यावं आणि त्यामधून ते तुझे साक्षीदार बनावे. आजचा जो सोहळा आहे त्याच्यावर तुझा आशीर्वाद घाल. त्या सोहळ्यासाठी ज्या ज्या लोकांनी हातभार लावलेला आहे, प्रार्थना केली आहे, त्यांच्यावर देखील तुझा आशीर्वाद घाल. आम्ही इथे सर्व उपस्थित आहोत, आम्हा प्रत्येकावर, आणि विशेष करून आता ते त्यांच्या प्रेमाचं भोजन आम्हाला देत आहेत. त्या भोजनावर ज्यांनी जेवण बनवलेलं आहे त्यावर सर्वांवर तुझा आशीर्वाद असू दे. आणि जसं काना गावी पवित्र मरीच्या मध्यस्थीने प्रभू येशू ख्रिस्ताचा चमत्कार केला, तसं या जीवनावर, या दोघांच्या जीवनात पवित्र मरी तू त्यांच्याबरोबर राहा आणि ख्रिस्ताला सांग त्यांच्या जीवनामध्ये अनेक चमत्कार घडून आणण्यासाठी. ही प्रार्थना आम्ही आमच्या प्रभू येशू ख्रिस्ताद्वारे करतो. प्रभू तुम्हा बरोबर असो आणि तुमच्या अंतर्यामी सर्वशक्तिमान परमेश्वर पिता पुत्र आणि पवित्र आत्म्यांचा आशीर्वाद तुम्हा सर्वांवर, भोजनावर आणि लेविन आणि अँसिडा तुम्हा दोघांवर विशेष करून येऊ. आमेन. सो गॉड ब्लेस यू and all the best.
Another day without your smile. Another day just passes by. But now I know how much it means for you to stay right here with me. The time we spend apart will make our love grow stronger. But it hurts so bad I can't take it any longer. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. 1,000 miles between us now. It causes me to wonder how our love tonight remains so strong. It makes our wrists right all along. The time we spend apart will make our love grow stronger. But it hurts so bad I can't take it any longer. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. Things can come and go, I know, but baby, I believe something's burning strong between us. It makes it clear to me. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna die in your arms. I wanna grow old with you. I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing in everything you do. I wanna grow old. There's a calm surrender to the rush of day, when the heat of a rolling wave can't be turned away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through. It It's enough for this restless warrior just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors when the heart of the star-crossed Voyager beats in time with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best.
How do I get through one night without you? If I had to live without you, what kind of life would that be? Oh, now I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You're my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave, baby, you would take away everything good in my life. Without you, there'd
my friend. You're out. Come here. Now we have only 1, 2, and 3 remaining. They two are kacha roti. Okay. Arey kya? Oh, who the winners? Who the winners? Who are the winners? Both are the winners. Well done. Congratulations. Very good. Go to father. Father is going to give you all a prize. Thank you, father. Thank you. And so sorry. Thank you, father.
I never wanted anyone before, half as much as I want you. I finally found what I've been searching for my whole life through. You're the answer to the prayers I've prayed, more than I ever dreamed of. So I give to you my heart today and pledge my eternal love. I'll be faithful, faithful till the end. I'm so thankful that heaven chose to send you, and this love will last forever. Forever I'll be true, I'll be faithful to you. You're my one and only one, you see. There's just no one to compare. I'll hold and keep you close to me, way beyond our golden years. Our two hearts will always beat as one. One thing you can know for sure, I promise that I'll never let you down. Your trust in me secure, I'll be faithful, faithful till the end. I'm so thankful that heaven chose to send you, and this love will last forever. Forever I'll be true and be faithful to you. I'll be faithful, faithful. I'll be faithful to you. I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in, follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me, 'cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. Darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this, darling. You look perfect tonight. No, no, baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line. I prayed for you before I called you mine. Oh, I can't believe it's true sometimes. Oh, I can't believe it's true. I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. I get to love you. The way you love, it changes who I am. I am undone. Nothing of lovers sleeping tight are rolling by like thunder now as I look in your eyes. I hold on to your body and feel each move you make. Your voice is warm and tender, a love that I could not forsake, 'cause I'm your lady and you are my man. Whenever you reach for me, I'll do all that I can. Lost is how I'm feeling, lying in your arms, when the world outside's too much to take.
Forever, my darling, my love will be true, always and forever. Our love just you. Just promise me, darling, your love in return. Set a fire in my soul, dear, forever burn. My heart's at your command, dear, to keep love and to hold. Making you happy is my desire, dear. Keeping you is my goal. I'll forever love you the rest of my days. I'll never part from you and your loving ways. Desire, dear. Keeping you is my goal. I'll forever love you the rest of my days. I'll never part from you